Okay, I just want to do a quick update on the Monday morning. Pretty much gonna be done for the day. So made 1,500. Let me just refresh this so I can show you that I actually made that amount. 1,573. Pretty much all Amazon and one Tesla. And it's a tricky day actually today. And I'm going to show you why. Because here's my chart setup. As you can see, I got Amazon, Tesla, QQQ, the VIX, all on the 5-minute candle with the VWAP, the 100-day exponential moving average. I got the SPY on this side. I got Apple here. But mainly I'm playing Apple and Tesla. And it's tricky because it was so strong on the pre-market. The pre-market was so strong. I mean, I can pull it up real quick and show you the extended hours. I mean, look at that pre-market. So when the pre-market is so strong, you don't know. I mean, here's the QQQ. When the pre-market is so strong, where it's just pushing up, and the VIX was deteriorating, it's hard to actually determine if it's gonna be another really big push coming. You know, if there's gonna be a really huge push, and where's the capitulation top? It's hard to tell. So when it opened up, and let me get rid of the extended hour at this point so I can show you. So Amazon opened relatively weak and then push above 33.50. Okay. Whereas Tesla opened up strong and gapped higher and then fell, but there wasn't really a doji candle except on the second one. Which is what I got, but because it opened up so strong, I covered quickly. And here is where my experience sort of went against me because I wasn't expecting this smackdown. These smackdowns are when I'm looking at the VIX, and the VIX was going higher and higher. However, they just smack it down. I mean, it's at the VWAP, you know. Um, and I'm waiting. I was waiting. I was like, what to do? You know, I wanted to see more clarity. And then they smack it down. And when you see a smack down like this, it pretty much tells you, yeah, this is not gonna be an easy day because other traders, other programs see this smackdown and they're gonna react off of that. There's gonna be a lot of sellers today. There's gonna be a lot of fearful longs. This is another minus smackdown, and so you can see the VIX right now is bouncing off of this VWAP. Um, Tesla's trying to make it. Tesla's probably gonna get to this VWAP at 2050, but I'm not gonna play it, and I'm not gonna play for that little bit of gang because of the fear of the smackdown. Like if the VIX all of a sudden just starts shooting up, it won't get to the VWAP, and you get a smackdown, and it gets, Tesla will go back to 1950. Um, but right now, it looks like everything is moving toward this VWAP, and I would say if it gets to this VWAP, it's coming up to it. It's on the next candle, probably gonna hit it. I'm probably gonna sell some calls. I think the bias of the market today may be negative, especially during the afternoon. But anyhow, if you look at the QQQ for the day, let's just take a look at the daily chart. Actually, that's not daily. look at the daily chart, and this thing froze up on me. Um, how come I can't get to the daily chart? Here it is, daily. If you look at the daily chart, is this it? Yeah. It's not a doji candle because it opened up so strong and the push up wasn't as good as it should be. And now had it open up kind of weak and push up, then reverse back, then that would be a doji candle. However, that didn't really happen. So it's not really a reversal candle. So I would think there would be more upside. But you know, it could. They might sell off. It's hard to say. I mean, the SmackDown isn't that strong, and the VIX is not really having that much volume, but it can come in. So it's not. Gonna be a tricky day. But like I said, I mean, even on tricky days, I still make not a lot, but it's a 1,500. So it's